In this question given 3 to the power x upon 30 is equal to 6. Then what will be the value of x? I will solve this question by two methods. So first method is here. I will write this question as a 3 to the power x is equal to 6 into 30. That means we can write 3 to the power x is equal to 180. Okay. Now I will take log both sides. So we can write log 3 to the power x is equal to log 180. Now further I will use one logarithm formula, that is log a to the power m. We can write equal to m log a. So this is the formula that I will apply for this one. Here in place of m x is, and in place of a is 3. So we can write x log 3 is equal to log 180. Now further we will divide by log 3 both sides. So this log 3 cancel. So we can say that x is equal to log 180 upon log 3. Okay, and log 180 we can write log 18 into 10 upon log 3. There is one more formula, that is log a into b. We can write log a plus log b. So by using this formula I can write 18 into 10 as a log 18 plus log 10 upon log 3. Okay, now to find the value of log 18 I can separately solve here. That means we can write log 18 is equal to log 9 into 2. Using this formula we can write log 9 plus log 2. Okay, and 9 we can also write as a 3 to the power 2. So using this formula, this I can write 2 log 3 plus log 2. If we will somehow know the value of log 2 and log 3, we can put the value, then we can get log 18. So we know log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Okay, and log 3 value is equal to 0.4771. These two are value we should always remember to solve such questions. Okay, now we will put the value. So we can write 2 into 0.4771 plus 0.3010. Okay, now we will add, then we will get this as 1.2552, which is equal to log 18. Okay, this is the log 18 value. Now if we will put the value of log 18 here, so we can write this as a 1.2552, and log 10 value is always 1 on any base. Log 3 value I will put directly here, 0.4771. So this will become 2.2552 upon 0.4771, which is equal to 4.73. So we can say that x is approximately 4.73. Okay, in second method we can write this question as a 3 to the power x upon 30 is equal to 6. So we can write this question as a first 3 to the power x is equal to 6 into 30. From here actually I am using second method, so watch this completely first. 6 I can write as a 2 into 3. 30 I can write 3 into 10. Further, we can write this as a what? 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 2 into 2 into 10, that is 20. We can write. Now I will take log both side here. Or before taking log, first of all, I will divide both side by 3 to the power 2. So this 2 get cancelled. So we can say that there is a one exponential law formula. You can say that exponential law actually a to the power m upon a to the power n. A to the power m minus n we can write. So using this I can write 3 to the power x minus 2 we can write here is equal to 20. Now from here I will take log. So if I will take here log 3 to the power x minus 2 is equal to log 20. Okay. Now using logarithm formula we can write this as a x minus 2 and here log 3 is equal to log 20. I have used this formula, this one formula here. This formula I have used. Okay. Now if we will divide both sides by log 3, so this get cancelled. So we can write here x minus 2 is equal to log 20 upon log 3. Okay. And we can write log 20 as a further 4 into 5. Okay. And using logarithm formula we can write log a into b is equal to log 4 plus log 5 upon log 3. Okay. So x minus 2 is equal to, we can write log 4 upon log 3 plus log 5 upon log 3. Log 4 we can write 2 to the power 2. Actually 4 we can write 4 as a 2 to the power 2. Now using the formula, logarithm formula, we can write 2 log 2 upon log 3 plus log 5 upon log 3. Now here I will use one important formula, logarithm formula, that is base change formula. If log a upon log b will be, we can change the base as a log a base b. Okay, so this is the formula that I will use for this two term. Okay, so we can write here x minus 2 is equal to 2 log 2 base 3. I have used this 2 in conversion of this, plus we can write log 5 base 3. Okay, now we can see that here if we will write x is equal to, so minus 2 we will send right side, so this will become plus 2. So 2 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3. This will be the value of x. If we will put the value of log 2 and 5 on base 3, so whatever sum we will get 4.7 something, that will be the answer. But we will check this. How we can check here? By taking RHS, LHS, sorry, that is 3 to the power x upon 30 value I will take, which is equal to 6. So if we will put the value x here, this value, so we will get is equal to 6. We can say that x will be the this value only. So now we will put 3 to the power, we can write 2 plus this value 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 upon 30. And there is one exponential law formula, that is a to the power m plus n, we can write what? A to the power m into a to the power n. In case if a to the power p plus q plus r written, we can also write a to the power p into a to the power q into a to the power r. Okay, so by using the same formula, exponential formula, we can write this as a 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 log 2 base 3 into 3 to the power log 5 base 3, okay, upon 30. Now there is one more important formula, that is here a to the power log n and base a. So this will be equal to what? N on any base, if base same and both bases same, so answer will come in. So I will apply here. So we can write this as equal to 3 to the power 2 is a what? 9. But here base 3, here is base also, logarithm base is also same. So we can write 2 only. 2 into 2, it will become what? 4. Then here base is 3, here is also base 3. So answer will come 5. So 5 upon 30. Now we can say that 5 will cancel 30 into 6 time. And this 9 into 4, that is 36. That will cancel in 6 time, which is equal to 6. That is RHS. So this is proved. X will be this value only. Okay. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.